So in today's tutorial, we are going to make these adorable transparent ghosts. Now I am using my glitter paint pens here, but you can use regular paint pens or even acrylic paint. Just make sure that it's a water-based. It needs to be water-based. So you're going to trace the outer edge. I leave the bottom open of your ghost and then come back in with water and just barely touch the edge and let that paint bleed into the center, and it will give you this really cool transparent look. Now, if you're using regular acrylic paint, that is fine too. Just make sure that you don't go over the edge so that it doesn't spill over your outline. Once you've got it filled in all the way, you can take a blow dryer to speed up the process or set it aside. You want it to be completely dry before you move on to your next ghost. This way you can have them overlapping. I like to have them overlapping somewhere, and then those colors kind of blend together. You'll get a little bit of a purple color here in the center, as you'll see. So again, outside edge along the top, leave the bottom open, bring that water right up to the edge and get it to fill in the whole ghost shape. And you'll see here we can go right over that blue, and then we're going to blow dry again or set it aside again so it's completely dry. Then we're just going to go in and add our eyes. These are so super simple and cute, and I will show you what it looks like with just a regular paint pen, not the glitter paint pens, here in just a second. So for the eyes, I like to do just two giant ovals, and then the mouth I like to keep pretty small. You'll see here I'm going to kind of come back and fix those eyes. They got a little bit wonky on me, so I'm going to come and just reshape them a little bit. I'm using an extra fine tip paint pen here for my lining or for my black. These stones are amazing. These are off of Etsy. I'll make sure that below in the description there's links to all of these supplies that I'm using today, including the paint pens. Now when you're double dotting your eyes, I like to dot the top one multiple times. I'm doing about 4 or 5 dots on the big one, and then one single dot for the second one. So they turned out so cute. This is another glitter one I did, and then here is one that's just with regular paint pens. It turns out cute as well. I hope you enjoyed this simple and easy rock painting tutorial. Make sure you're following along so you don't miss out on more.